You think I'm pretty without any makeup on. You think I'm funny when I tell the punchline wrong. I know you get me, so I let my walls come down, down. Before you met me, I was alright, but things were kinda heavy. You brought me to life. Now every February you'll be my Valentine. Valentine, let's go all the way tonight. No regrets, just love. We can dance until we die. You and I will be young forever. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. My heart stops when you look at me. Just one touch. Now baby, I believe this is real. Let's rock and ray and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. How long will
You have
I
bewitched
love
me,
you?
body and soul, and I love.
Longest stars above you.
I never wish to be parted from you from this day on.
I mean, love is too weak a word for I love you. You know, I loathe you. I love you. Too empty.
As long as the seasons need to follow their plan.
You
How long will I
complete
be with
me.
you?
Every once in a while, you find someone who's iridescent. And when you do, nothing will ever compare.
How long will I want you?
In my opinion,
As long as
the best thing you can do
want me
is
to.
find a person who loves you for exactly what you
Longer
are.
by far.
Good mood, bad mood, ugly,
How
pretty,
long will I hold
handsome, what have you.
you? As long as
The right
your
person's still gonna think the
father
sun shines
told
out your ass.
you. As long as you can.
That's the kind of person that's worth sticking with.
The thing is, I love
How
you.
long will I give to
What?
you?
I love you. I love that you get cold when it's 71 degrees out. I love that after I spend the day with you, I can still smell your perfume on my clothes. And I love that you are the last person I want to talk to before I go to sleep at
How long
night.
will I love you?
I came here tonight because when you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible.
And longer if I may.
I can't see anything that I don't like about you.
Cat, if I were alive, would you go to the Halloween dance with me? Cat, can I keep you?
I love you. As long as stars are above you.
I didn't think that you deserved her. Can I say this?
Yeah, go on.
She made you decent. And then in return, you made her so